Okay, so I've seen a lot of issues, seems to be a common fault with Nissan 1.5 diesels with the exhaust pressure sensor throwing up an error code, which is a blocked pipe, which we're going to run through how to change your pipe right now. So first things first, you have to remove your sensor, which comes with the flathead screwdriver there, and then a pair of pliers for the clip underneath, and then behind that you have two 8mm sockets, spanners, which you can see right there in the middle, and right there in the middle. That bracket then comes off. You can then disconnect the switch under here, pushing in the yellow, and releases that hose. From that, you need a 10mm socket or spanner to remove the turbo heat shield with those 3 bolts there. And my son's got his hand in the way, that's it. And that one there. Then that comes off. Then you have to get deep down for that bolt in the center of the frame, which is a 10mm. I use an adjustable ratcheting spanner. It's the only way to get it in, which then removes this silver pipe, which pulls out from there and down in there. Literally pulls out that way. Then you have to remove this silver bracket, which has two 13mm sockets, one just underneath the heat shield there, which you can see, and then the other is straight down there in the middle. That gives you that bracket out of the way, which gives you enough space to get down there. Then what you need, or I use a Dremel with a drill bit just to drill some holes, then a hacksaw to hack through it, a pair of pliers to remove it, sander attachment on the Dremel, smooth it around. Then unfortunately my bolt there was rounded where some animal attacked it before, so I ended up using a hacksaw, cutting through that pipe, give me enough space to get a spline socket onto it, which was 11mm, plenty of penetrating fluid, and that came straight out. Then it's just a case of reverse, put the new piece in. New part was a genuine part, £50 from eBay, which was a genuine Nissan part. You'll need a code reader to clear the faults, and that's your job done. Now I'm no mechanic, and it's taken me 2.5–3 hours. Obviously lots of trying to squeeze your hands into tiny spots, cuts, and plenty of swearing, which is thankfully not in this video. Hopefully that is going to give a lot of information to a numerous amount of people that are struggling with the same issue on this stupid Nissan. Thank you, have a nice day. Subscribe please.